Good morning and welcome to your Monday market update for May 11th, 2026. The mood on Wall Street is decidedly mixed this morning. Let's break it all down. Starting with the major indices. The S&P 500 is up 0.3%, sitting at 740.17. The Nasdaq is leading the way, climbing nearly 0.5% to 714.53. But the Dow Jones is essentially flat, ticking down just 0.1% to 496.09. So we've got tech pulling markets higher while blue chips are treading water. Now let's get to the Magnificent Seven, where the real fireworks are happening. Nvidia is your big winner today, surging over 3% to $221.81. The chip giant continues to show strength. Tesla is right behind it, rallying nearly 3% to $440.63. But not everyone in the group is having a good day. Alphabet is sliding 1.68% to $394.08. Meta is down just over 1% at $602.88. And Microsoft is also dipping about 1% to $410.72. A clear split between the momentum names and the rest of big tech. Over in commodities, silver is absolutely screaming today. It's up 6.2% to 77.54. That is a massive single session move for silver. Oil is also surging, with WTI crude jumping over 4% to $139.05 a barrel. Geopolitical tensions are clearly fueling that rally. Gold, meanwhile, is barely moving, up just 0.09% at $434.15. Traders appear to be favoring the more volatile commodity plays this morning. In crypto, Bitcoin is inching higher, up nearly 0.5% to $81,716. Ethereum is slightly in the red, dipping 0.2% to $2,338.76. Nothing dramatic in digital assets today. Forex data is unavailable this morning, so we'll skip that and jump to the headlines driving the conversation. First up, the Financial Times is reporting that PIMCO warns a potential Iran conflict could force the Federal Reserve to raise interest rates. That oil surge we just mentioned ties directly into this story. Higher energy prices could reignite inflation fears fast. Over at Fortune, Elon Musk is making headlines again. He's endorsing Warren Buffett's famous 5-minute plan to fix the national debt. Musk called it, quote, "This is the way." An unusual alliance of ideas from two very different billionaires. And finally, 24/7 Wall Street is highlighting a $730,000 portfolio strategy. It reportedly generates more income than most Americans earn at their jobs. Passive income content continues to dominate financial media. So here's your takeaway for the day. This market is split right down the middle. Tech momentum names like Nvidia and Tesla are pushing higher, but the broader market is hesitant with geopolitical risks looming large. That oil spike above $139 deserves your full attention. Watch for any escalation in Middle East tensions throughout the week. Keep an eye on how the Fed responds to rising energy prices. And stay tuned for more earnings reports that could tip this mixed sentiment one way or the other. That's your morning update. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a market open. We'll see you tomorrow.